My name is David Primrose. I'm an experienced private label seller on Amazon, and I'm offering one-to-one mentoring services to anyone who aspires to build a successful Amazon business themselves. E-commerce is my bread and butter. I have a real passion for what I do and I love helping people. To me, there's nothing more satisfying than seeing new businesses grow and being involved in other people's success. I am personally motivated by money, and if you're watching this video, then I'm sure you are too. I should make it clear that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. As Elon Musk said, you have to be pretty driven to make it happen, otherwise you'll just make yourself miserable. This is true with any aspect of business, and Amazon is no exception. Selling on Amazon is hard. It requires time, patience, a willingness to learn, as well as the drive and determination to succeed. You have to be prepared to take risks, and you have to be fully committed. Perseverance is key in this game. If you're willing to put the work in, I know we can succeed together. Interested? Send me a message for a free consultation.